Hi there, I'm Andy from Sangdian. Today I'd like to show you around one of the best-selling products in your factory. What is it? Let me take a look together. Let's go. Whether you are at a power plant or industry site, JJD Capital ensure reliable and efficient power distribution. Thanks for your tuning in. See you next time.